my friends, are you in the right place? You may have the highest intelligence. You may have all the knowledge. You may be highly skillful. You may be working very hard. But still, are you in the right place? Wherever you are working, is the platform demanding your maximum output? Is there a scope for you to show your maximum talent? Ask these questions to you. While I do this episode, I remember a story I read somewhere. There was a zoo and there was a mother camel and a baby camel. One day, the baby camel asked the mother camel, "Mummy, I have a question, can I ask you?" The mother camel replied, "Yes, dear." The baby camel asked, "Why do we have such long legs?" The mother camel replied, "We are desert animals. We had to walk on the sand. In the entire universe, we are the only people who can walk on the sand so comfortably." The baby camel was very happy and asked the next question, "Mummy, why do we have such strong legs?" The mother camel was even more proud to answer, "We carry big weights, long weights. No other animals in the world can carry such big load of weight. So we have strong legs." The baby camel was becoming excited. Then the baby camel asked, "Mother, why do we have a hump?" The mother camel replied, "In the desert it is difficult to find water and food. For months together we have to walk. We are the only animal which can store water and food in this hump. Nobody else can do it." The baby camel was becoming even more excited and proud. It asked the next question to the mother camel, "Why do we have such high, thick eyelashes?" The mother camel replied, "In this desert there could be sandstorms. Everybody will have to close their eyes. But because of this gift of God, we can walk continuously without closing our eyes." The baby camel was getting even more excited. Then asked the mother camel, "Mummy, can I ask you one final question?" The mother camel replied, "Still you have some doubt? Come on, ask me." Then the baby camel said, "We have long legs, we have strong legs, we have a hump which can store water, we have such high lashes where we can walk on the desert even across the storm. In spite of all this, why are we still in the zoo?" I keep asking this question many times. Am I in the right platform? Sometimes when people demand maximum from you, we may feel irritated, but thank them that they are taking the maximum from you. Ask this question, do you resemble that camel in any way? See you tomorrow.